Hi students, something interesting we are going to do today, which is organic chemistry. And again, most of you are finding difficult in doing this when it comes to past paper question, right? Yes. So we are going to do past paper question that too organic chemistry, only organic chemistry. Like definitely you'll get 5 to 6 questions from organic chemistry in multiple choice questions. So over here, 35th, from 35th to 40th question, we have organic chemistry. So we are going to discuss some questions there. So which equation representing a reaction of methane is correct? So over here, CH4 with Cl2. CH4 methane reacts with chlorine Cl2, which leads to CH3Cl plus HCl. Yes, because we know that CH4 dissociates as radicals like CH3 and H, right? And same way Cl2 dissociates into Cl and Cl2 radicals, right? So that means you get CH3Cl and HCl. So this is correct. Okay. So now first option itself correct. So that means the other one CH4 plus Cl2. Why this is wrong? So they have just combined this Cl2 over here. So this is not the combination reaction. So no. And CH4 plus Cl2 over here, H2 replaced by Cl2. No, because like this substitution will not happen. Okay. And CH4 when it reacts with Cl2, here 2 moles of Cl2, so 4Cl again collapsed. So we found the answer. So this is the answer. Yes. Now move on to the second, 36th question. Which two compounds are molecules which both contain a double bond? See, think of ethane. Ethane is what? C2H4, which is like this. So there is no double bond in this, right? When you see ethanoic acid, two carbon atom, double bond O, single bond OH, and this is 3 hydrogen atom, right? So that means there is a double bond. But ethane and ethanoic acid has double bond, but ethane doesn't have. Now next, ethane and ethanol. So ethane already we have seen it, no double bond. So that means ethanol. Ethanol is C2H5OH, which is you can write CH3CH2OH. So no double bond over here too. Then ethene and ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid already we have done here, so there is a double bond. Ethene is what? C double bond C, and with two hydrogen, each carbon atom bonded with two hydrogen atom. So this also has double bond, this also has double bond. So answer is C, right? And D, ethene and ethanol. Ethanol, there is no double bond, so this is not the correct answer. Right? Okay, shall we move on to 37th question? Yes. So over here, the question is about ethanol again. Ethanol can be formed by fermentation and reaction between steam and ethene. Yes, we all know fermentation leads to ethanol, right? By taking sugar in the sense again a fruit juice, you get ethanol, right? So that means fermentation leads to ethanol. We know. And which of these processes use a catalyst? Yes, over here we use enzymes as a catalyst, zymase, right? Invertase. These enzymes we are using as a catalyst. But in this reaction between steam and ethene with the steam, again water vapor, water. So steam, that means 300 degrees Celsius, you know the temperature, in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst. phosphoric acid as a catalyst, you get ethanol. So the H2O dissociates as H and OH. So the H binds with one of the carbon atom, OH with other carbon atom, so that you get CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol, right? So by fermentation, I said again over here, phosphoric acid is a catalyst. In fermentation, we use invertase and zymase, invertase and zymase, enzymes as a catalyst. So in both we are using. So A is the answer, right? Yes, let's move on to the next one, um, which is 38th question. Ethanol is manufactured from ethene. What is an advantage of this process? Yes, from ethene, just now we have seen ethene plus steam leads to ethanol. It is a continuous process, continuously you can get it. So that is the advantage. But a high labor cost, no. High temperature and pressure, no. It's just 300 degrees Celsius, no. So it uses non renewable material, no. So just it's a continuous process. Then, which reaction can be used to make, nothing to explain much in the much concept. So we'll move on to the next one. Which reaction can be used to make ethanoic acid? Oxidation of ethanol. So oxidation. So that means CH3, CH2OH is alcohol. On oxidation, that means in the presence of oxidizing agent, it can be KMNO4, like acidified KMNO4, or alkaline KMNO4, or acidified K2Cr2O7, right? So these are all acts as a oxidizing agent. In the presence of oxidizing agent, we get acid. Okay, CH3COOH, right? So that means oxidation of ethanol, yes. Oxidation of ethene, no. Reduction of ethanol, no. Nothing will happen. Reduction of ethene, oxidation of ethanol, yes. Yeah. Next, which monomer? Okay, over here you have to. The structure of addition polymer is shown. So there is this is a polymer. Okay. In this we are going to find the monomer. It is easy. Sometimes we make it like more complicated. It is very easy. So if you see, like one carbon has two hydrogen, the other carbon has OH and hydrogen, and the next carbon again had two hydrogen, and the fourth hydrogen carbon has one hydrogen and hydroxyl. So that means this is the one there is a repetition here. This is the one repeats, right? So this is the monomer repeating unit, right? So this is a repeating unit. So it's easy for us to find the monomer. So here only one carbon atom, no. But here two carbon atom, but both has hydroxyl, no. Because only one carbon atom has hydroxyl. And if you see here again, two both are having hydroxyl, no. But here one carbon atom has two hydrogen, other carbon atom has one hydroxyl. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. This is how you have to find. Very easy, children. Okay, thanks for watching my video. We'll come up with the next set of question paper. Yeah, next set of questions to do. Bye bye.